SBFM stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm observing Sunshine Biopharma stock. And yes, 7% decrease in price is not the worst, not the best. More so I want to see like a higher time frame, and I do know that there's a lot of, like, this is super diluted stock, and there's like people are watching this for like a potential short squeeze play. You know, the price going up. A lot of people are also making money on this going up and then short selling that, so that's kind of maybe under my bucket. But generally speaking, it's like such a bearish market where I don't even think that it's actually gonna jump up like that exactly. But ultimately for me, I'm sticking to my edge that I've refined over 35,000 videos over the last 4 years, you know, and here is not so bullish whatsoever. If I see a double break, I'm taking things low. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.